You know, I'm someone who looks for comfort and ease in everything. And even when I'm buying a refrigerator, I didn't compromise and brought home LG's side-by-side refrigerator with water and ice dispenser. That not only keeps my food and vegetables fresh and hygienic, but also gives me the convenience of easy and quick access to water. Its self-sufficient plumbing system allows you to install it anywhere in your kitchen with no need to replace the water filter. LG's Hygiene Fresh Plus keeps your fridge clean by removing up to 99.999% of bacteria, keeping your food fresher in a cleaner condition. It also minimizes acidic and alkaline odor in the refrigerator. Not only that, its Door Cooling Plus technology gives you a faster and even cooling, giving you fresher food and colder beverages on every shelf, including items stored on the door. Also, multiple cooling air vents distribute and circulate cool air to every corner of the refrigerator, ensuring that each and every food item is cooled properly. LG's Express Freezing increases both ice making and freezing capabilities. When activated, the freezer section runs at the coldest temperature to increase ice production. And this one is for all the wine lovers. LG's user-friendly design wine rack can store up to 4 bottles of sparkling wine at an optimal temperature, making your life easier. LG's ThinQ lets you control refrigerator with your smartphone even when you're not at home. Easily set the refrigerator temperature, control express freeze and much more with a simple touch on your smartphone. And when convenience becomes the keyword, how can we forget its smart diagnosis feature? A fast and easy way to troubleshoot issues. Simply call the LG customer service helpline and place the phone on the appliance. The appliance then communicates with the computer that produces a diagnosis within seconds and provides an immediate solution. Not only convenience but even good looks are ensured with LG's flat door design that makes it practical, sophisticated and seamless, adding to the beauty of the kitchen. And the metallic decoration gives the refrigerator a timeless and premium feel. And the icing on the cake? This refrigerator also comes with a 10-year warranty on smart inverter compressor. Isn't it just super? So bring home LG's side-by-side refrigerator with water and ice dispenser and say hi to comfort, ease and convenience.